doing Keema Aloo on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a chick. Welcome guys, as I said, tonight we are doing Keema Aloo. What is Keema Aloo? I'm not sure. Anyway, I found it on the computer and apparently it's ground beef with potatoes and stuff like that. Well, it's supposed to be ground lamb. I guess it's Pakistani or Indian. I've seen both, so I've also seen an Aloo Keema, so I'm not sure. But anyway, this recipe is courtesy of, this is allrecipes.com. I haven't done one of these in a hell of a long time, but that's alright. If you don't know what we do, guys, you go online, find a recipe, go to the store, pick the stuff up, come back, make it. Sometimes I'm successful picking it up, sometimes I'm not. For instance, this recipe is supposed to have, well, peas. Frozen peas. I couldn't find peas. So I got frozen mixed vegetables. Given the current circumstances we're in, this is what I get. So it's a little different variation, pretended peas. Other than that, I got everything, which is good. This is day 92 of our 365-day cooking challenge. It's also day 31 of the world record that we are going for, which is cooking a different dish off the internet every night without repeating. Got an application in with Guinness. See if they let me do it. Find out. Don't know when they're going to get back to me, given, as I said, the current situation we're in right now. Anyway, let's get to this one, guys. It could be an interesting one, I think. So, we're going to heat our pan up. And we'll be back in one moment. Alright, so now we're going to add some olive oil. And our onions. We're going to cook those until brown, about 10 to 15 minutes, it says. Alright, the onions are brown. Well, as brown as I'm going to take them anyway. So we're going to add our beef. It tells us to crumble that up. Going for 2 pounds, guys. I didn't want to make a 2-pound recipe, so I cut this recipe in half for the most part. There we are. We've got our garlic, cilantro, ginger, and our, well, serrano / jalapeno peppers, because good luck on finding them. Into the pan. We're going to cook that until the beef is brown. Mix. And simmer until potatoes are soft. About 15 minutes. Now we're going to mix in our peas / mixed vegetables and let that cook until it is thickened, about 10 to 15 minutes. So now it's thick and we're going to remove it from the heat and sprinkle on some gram masala. And let it sit for 5 minutes and it'll be ready to go. More of this one, guys. Alright, so we're all ready to go on this. Here is our Keema Aloo. If I'm wrong with that, I apologize. Looks pretty good, I don't know. Let's just make sure that is right. What was it called? Keema Aloo. Alright, so let's give her a shot, see what we think. It's good. I like it. A little different. Not used to it really, but it's got a nice flavor to it. It's pretty good. I don't mind that at all. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Let's give it another shot here, see. That was good. That was good. Nice fresh, good tasting stuff. Anyway, guys, that's not bad at all. Anyway, come on, take a look at our date and time. It is the 3rd Friday the 3rd of April, 2020. That's just for our world record attempt, guys. So, anyway, anything you'd like to see me cook, throw in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, guys. And we'll be back next time. Who knows what we're going to cook. See you then.